tell the time periods we're flinching, seeing different things in you. But usually only happen in your brain, the internally understood ideas you couldn't explain. But it's easy enough if you want to believe that the trees leave soon as swallowed up all of the ice that's polluted seas now by nighttime. Even all the oranges off the sun. Mistakes made, that's fine. I'll here. As often your interpretation seems so unsincere. Looking out my ears often cast to me on scenes of spheres, seem like they're always coming against you, even though you never possibly find them. You were always hitting me down in the world, pulling bucks, but you never had them. Scooping up the roots over the women, so I have every right to be concerned with the fire that's burning this entire dumb town. Leaving the population in the place called home now. You were often lost. Mistakes made, okay, fine. Perception is out now, clear, loud. I was thinking, well,